I know what you're driving at, Dad, but I don't think I ever will fit in, not here. I'm different from the guys in this town.
Well, as far as that goes, Phil, everybody's different. That's what makes people interesting.
Maybe.
It's a lonely world when you're all alone, when there's no one to share every sorrow and care, when there's no one to greet you at the close of the day. The sunshine may come in your heart, but never comes to stay. It's a lonely world when you're all alone, and that's the way my world is since you're gone.
They think you're different. So you head for home. What else?